What is going on, guys? Buggy with Chowways. Welcome back to another video, and just getting back from fishing Elizabeth River, cleaning up the boat today. Me and my buddy hit the river for a couple hours this morning, and unfortunately we're fighting some strong winds and a lack of water movement. We're kind of fishing a slack tide, but we got a couple nice fish, and it was just great getting out on the water. And I know I have not put out a video in a while, but I've been super busy, but mostly been tied up getting ready for our second annual Speckled Trout Tournament here on November 9th in the Elizabeth River. And I am so stoked. It's gonna be an awesome time. Huge shout out to a lot of our local companies, sponsors who are making this event possible. A lot of those guys will have booths set up for weigh-ins on the night, so make sure to come out, check those guys out, and let's support them. But what I am most excited about is what this tournament is all about, and it's giving back to kids, families in need. 100% of proceeds are donated to St. Jude's Children's Hospital. So let's come together as a group, as local anglers, have a fun tournament, have a great time on the water, but most importantly, come together to just give back, and that's what I'm really passionate about and excited for. If you guys are not already registered, make sure to register up now. I'll leave the registration form, tournament rules, the link information in this video's body description, so make sure to check that out. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Would love to help you guys out. But as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to subscribe to Chowways. See you guys on the water. Oh, we need some fish, dude. Does he have an alarm system out? My bad. I have never in my life seen anything like that. That's a nice fish. Yeah, his head shakes.
I did too. That's red.
He felt like one for a sec, so I felt those head shakes.
The net's in the back there.
Yeah, I got it. It is. Yeah, it's a trout.
I'm telling you, right here where we're fishing is where my buddy caught his personal best trout, 29 3/4.
Oh, nice fish, dude. I don't know, it did it the first cast, dude. Or excuse me, the first hit, it felt like one.
Let's just hang here.
Heck yeah.
We hit on 17.
Yeah. He is right at 20.
Hey, he's in the house.
Is he? You got a... Are you?
I wasn't. Window downstairs. He was in there looking out at us. He was on the phone. I mean, nothing we're doing is illegal.
I was gonna say, there's literally nothing we're doing wrong. If you're offended, sorry, but...
Your boat license? Look at all that nervous bait up there.
Yeah.
Right, the riprap.
Yeah, it is.
I mean,
Well, of course it is. You got an alarm system out here on his house. That would be like the cherry on top.
I mean, Drum Creek is known for good fishing.
This is like North Korea. Literally name one thing that we're doing illegal.
What do you want to know? That's a trout. Take it.
Tell me though.
No, we're good.
Dink Squad.
One.
Citation. Is that like supposed to like scare people or something? Yeah, I got everything on camera.
It's gonna make it beautiful.
I know.
Please put this on YouTube.
I will. All right, guys. Well, we're just getting out here this morning and fishing a dock, and I guess the dude's got a whole alarm system and security trying to scare people off. Donald, I don't know about you. I've never seen anything like this in my life.
Hilarious. I like this.
But we're doing nothing illegal, so we'll keep fishing. My whole thing is, like, if you're that paranoid and frustrated, like people fishing, like,
Nervous water right coming off the dock here.
then don't live on the water.
Yeah.
All right, guys, just getting out here. So on the MR27. Yeah, sorry. I haven't done this in forever.
Dude, nothing hits harder than a fucking like 13-inch male trout. Like a rock.
But shoot, remember that one day, the first day I was throwing up here and I caught with like 18, 19s and 20s back to back to back.
And then it was like
And then it was, yeah. Whoa.
That's a drum. Oh, that might be a striper.
Dude, I literally was stepping back here.
Oh, the one in the fridge?
He freaking smacked that thing so much. Little rat red. Oh, it's a trout.
Anything else you need to complain about?
There we go. That was funny. I literally just cast it in.
Were you on camera while I'm on the phone?
Yeah. No, but I literally cast it and stepped up on the back and he hit it. He literally smacked that thing, dude. Yeah. I thought it was going to be a snook. All right, guys. Second fish of the day. He's probably
8 or 9 inches.
He's like right at 18. Nice little fish. He smacked that thing though. He really did though. Did you hear us? Not even any rat reds. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. Oh. Oh, Dingster. I thought you said Bigster. Popping cork, getting them going. Giant. Small fish. First cast. Yeah, we already got that one out of the way, I thought. Get a gator cruising in here. Well, I don't know if that's catching fish, but gosh, these things are freaking. Throw yours back there. See if you can get a big one to commit on that. Huh? Yeah.